Hello there. I'm going to be presenting the software that we built in order to help us to fetch some data related to performance in the IRIS database using Java Quarkus as an entry point. All right. So for this application, we created a perform report annotation, and this perform report annotation is basically intercepting the calls that we annotated with PERFMON report. And from this interception, it's going to run a function inside the IRIS database that's going to return, actually, it's going to create a report related to the process that are going to be executed, the routine, globals, and network nodes. And for testing this project, we created a very simple flux here, which is a search for a patient. We also based this query in the FHIR protocol. And as you can see here, we have this annotation here in the method that's going to be calling these three queries right here. I'm going to show you how you build this application. First, we have to run this docker compose up -build. I'm just going to delete this running instances here. It's going to build it again. Done. Then I'm going to build the Java application. Just got to wait a few seconds. And it's working. I'm going to go to the 8080 port. I'm going to look for Swagger UI, and I'm going to make a query here by a valid ID. Click and execute. Okay, we have this response here, which is a patient 3 and some other data related to this patient. And now I'm going to show you how you can get to the report material. I'm going to go inside the IRIS container. I'm going to go to this directory. I'm going to just list it. So we have this patient service patient get info. I'm going to cat it. And that's what we have here. These are all data related to methods and queries and other things that can be very useful in order to detect problems, some slower functions, some slow queries, and all that thing. And that's all.